and welcome back to the channel. My name's Adam Berry, I'm the gym starter, and today I'm going to take you through how to do the bird dog exercise. The bird dog is one of my favourite exercises. I adore it. It's great for core strength, it's great for stability, it's great for balance, and it's just awesome. Right, let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to want you to get into a quadruped position like so. And that basically means we're going to have our hands underneath our shoulders, our knees underneath our hips. And we're going to keep our back nice and flat, nice and straight. Now what we do is we're going to extend our right arm and our left leg away from the body, like so. And then back to quadruped. And then switch sides, like so. Now, it looks very simple. It looks like all we're doing is moving our hands backwards and forwards. But you're not. What I want you to do when you do this exercise is I really want you to focus on moving the arm from the shoulder blade and moving the leg from the glute. Don't think you're just moving your leg and you're moving your arm, because when you think you're just moving your leg and you're moving your arm, you'll just kind of bend it and you'll move it out like so, and it will get a bit lazy. And we obviously want to work with precision. When you start moving your limbs from the centralized parts of your body, you really start to make an exercise come alive. You'll really feel it in a very different manner. When we explore a full extension like so, and also when you are in that extended position, you can't expand enough. You want to keep pushing as far away as you can, hands and legs as far apart as possible. So you don't stop there, you keep going and you keep going. The whole exercise stays active until you literally can't go any further, and then you bring it in. And then you come back here, go as far away as you can, and then you bring it in. Another thing to note when you do this exercise is you want to keep your shoulders square to the floor. You want to keep your pelvis square to the floor. Okay? If I'm not sure you'll be able to see it. If I come at this angle, then if you start, let's do the other leg. If you start rotating down like so when you do it, to try and keep your balance, that's not ideal. We obviously want to keep everything as square as possible. And equally, don't roll away like so. Okay? And this way you're really going to be engaging rectus abdominis, you're going to be engaging your latissimus dorsi, and you're also going to be engaging your posterior chain. Now, some people will have issues with balance when they're in this quadruped position with their knees. If that's you, if you can't stay balanced with your knees right underneath your hips, then you can bring one knee, your standing knee, more centralized and create more of a tripod here between these three standing items, and then that will help you have a touch more balance too. Right, that's the bird dog exercise. I'd recommend you do 3 sets of 12 reps on each side, really thinking about moving from the centralized parts of your body. We're not just moving the arm for the sake of it, the leg for the sake of it. It all has to come from here. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Peace, love and protein. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. High fives and positive vibes. Don't forget to subscribe. My name's Adam Berry, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye.